Pero nung sinabi mo puppy love, meron ako naalala.
Ano yan?
Ito yung parang 3 kinds of love that you'll encounter in your life. Una muna yung puppy love. Or first love, pwede rin. Tapos yung pangalawa yung intense kind of love. Yung love na bugsh, dumating na lang bigla. Ganun. Tapos yung pangatlo is unconditional love. Oh! Pero yung puppy love yung parang light lang. Yung crush lang, di ba? Ano ba definition mo ng puppy love?
Yun nga, puppy loves. Loves kasi madaming happy crush. Ganon.
Puro happy crush lang.
I think lang siya, parang surface level na parang, eto mga qualities na to, parang tangible siya. Na pwede siya mawala anytime. Parang for that fleeting moment, ganon. Kaya may attraction ka sa kanya. Pero, hindi siya enough for you to like, go deeper or involve yourself in more, in-depth way. Do you get me?
Yeah.
Parang wala,
So,
chill ka lang.
Oo.
Chill ka lang. Pero it's a fun experience.
Yeah, it's just light, diba?
Diba yung mga yung mga biglaang tinginan, nagtama yung tingin, napadaan sa corridor, nasuliyapan mo siya, yung mga ganong exchange.
Tapos kilig-kilig pa si Ice noon.
Ay, biglang ganon
siya.
Biglang ganon. Pero I think collective experience yun na lahat pagdating sa puppy love, diba? Parang makita mo lang siya, okay na. Buo na yung araw mo, ganon.
Pero feeling ko yung pinakamasakit, yung intense love, yung pangalawa. Kasi dito mo malalaman kung ano yung gusto at saka ayaw mo in terms of being in a relationship. Diba?
Yup.
Nag-yup na lang, hindi makasagot. Hindi, kasi hindi na light lang to. Hindi na siya puppy love na puro crush lang. Kasi ito na yung biglang dumating, di ba? Kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina. Biglang bugsh, oh my God. Bakit di ko siya matanggal sa isipan ko? Yuck! Biglang nag-yuck.
You are your own enemy talaga.
Oo nga.
Nag-cringe ka sa sarili mo.
Oo nga, dito na dadating yung self-doubt. Ganon. Kasi yung puppy love, di mo pa naman siya na-experience. First time pa lang yun, so happy ka pa lang, di ba? Pero pagdating sa intense love, dito ka na magda-dive deeper into the unknown. So, of course, you're going to have doubts on what you're going to do. And hindi mo pa alam kung paano mo ina-navigate yung relationships niyo kasi you still don't know what you want. You still don't know how you're going to do it or how you're going to compromise. Diba? So, yung feeling ko pinakamasakit is intense love.
Saka add ko din na parang testing water level of relationship. Kasi, hindi mo siya kasi masabi in specifics. Pero, I think there are times na yung boundaries mo parang hindi nalampasan pero parang nag-go overboard ka na sa boundaries mo because of this kind of love. Parang it's a common thing when you experience this kind of, kasi hindi mo pa alam na okay, ito lang dapat. Kasi parang ito din yung phase na all out ka, I think.
Totoo. And then yung pangatlo is unconditional love. Yung after mo ma-experience intense love, alam mo na kung ano yung gusto mo. Alam mo na kung paano mag-compromise, nag-evolve ka na, nag-change ka na. Ito na yung love na makapagbigay sa'yo ng security guard. Charot. Ito na yung pwede mo na ma-feel yung safety, comfort, peace, unconditional. Ganon.
I
Ice?
agree.
I agree.
I agree. Hindi, totoo siya. Kasi, I think, different experience from your relationships would help you grow as a person on how you will give love to other people. Parang, siya, notes of experience mo na, okay, ito pala yung dapat kong gawin
Mhm.
Na, okay, ganito pala dapat yung response ko in this kind of situation.
Mhm.
Okay, kailangan kong maging emotionally stable so that I won't be able to hurt somebody else's feelings.
Tama, tama.
Ganyan.
Kaya hindi ako naniniwala na yung first love mo yung hanggang dulo mo na. Actually, may times, pero it's so rare. It's so rare to find that kind of